Hello, it's Anne Marie with Starseeds Rising. Have you been seeing these beautiful images from the James Webb Space Telescope and wondering how to find them in your birth chart? I'm going to show you how to do that. So say you are on Facebook and you see this beautiful post of all these images, and in the description, most of them will tell you the name of what the object is. This is called the Phantom Galaxy M74, which the M, when it's talking about astronomy, is Messier objects. So if you want to find out where that is, then you go to this NASA IPAC extragalactic database and search by name. So I haven't tried the Phantom Galaxy name yet. Let's see if it comes up for that. No, see, it won't, but it will come up for the M74. So here's Messier 74, and it shows you a bunch of science. I don't understand. I'm not a rocket scientist, but then you go to coordinates, and then again, there's a whole bunch of numbers that don't look like any astrology degrees, but so you look down here to the ecliptic, and that J2000 is where this was located in the year 2000, and it's 28 degrees, and then this fraction, but the 28, because it's a 360-degree circle in the astrology chart, 28 degrees would be 28 Aries, so we know that. So then we take this fraction here. Oh dear, we're going to have dog barking. Sorry about that, had dogs barking. So we take this fractional part here and copy it, and then go into the spreadsheet and multiply it by 60, and we get 9 minutes and 0.0. So it's 28 degrees, 9 minutes of Aries. So if you have anything at 28 degrees, 9 minutes of Aries in your birth chart, then you know that you have that connection to a Messier 74, Messier 74. I also had another one that I could show you. This is NGC 602. So if we go to do the same thing for NGC 602, go back here to search objects. NGC stands for New General Catalog, because the M numbers are the Messier catalog from an 18th century astronomer, Charles Messier, who named them all. And then they developed the NGC 602, right? It was 602. So this would be another, I found this number previously on Facebook because that's where they're posting them all, as I'm seeing them on Facebook. You probably see them in the news as well. Again, NGC 602, and you can see other names that it has. ESO stands for something. You can look up astronomy terms and ESO. It's anyway, NGC 602 coordinates. Again, we have, now this one's 312. So if we say 360 is the end of Pisces, so 330 is the end of Aquarius, 300 is the end of Capricorn. So 312 is 12 degrees Aquarius. And then we take this fraction again and do our little product. Paste times 60. So it's 12 degrees Aquarius, 47 minutes. So if you have anything at 12 degrees Aquarius, whatever the number was again, 47 minutes. I'm a mess this morning. I haven't had my coffee yet. 12 degrees Aquarius, 47 minutes. Then you have a connection to this beautiful image. which is NGC 602. This is a nebula, okay? So nebula is where stars are born. And then the previous image, Messier 74, this is a galaxy. So where the stars are born, the nebulas, and the galaxies, these are portals, these are gateways, and these represent opportunities if you have connections to them in your birth chart, specific planets with a very close orb, very close orb. It would have to almost be exact, I would think, maybe minutes, but not degrees, because these things are so far away. So if you had an exact conjunction or opposition to these galaxies or nebulas, you could channel in information from these gateways. So I'm going to be doing some little vignettes on different, like if Venus were conjunct this system, what that would mean in your birth chart. So I hope you enjoyed this little lesson, and we will see you soon. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.
Climb into the moon and take a trip amongst the stars. There are aliens from Jupiter and Mars. In other words, conspiracy. In other words, look at me. Show's over, folks. Move along.